I want you to come over here and have a look at this picture. This is an area of North Texas with chronic flooding every time it rains. This is Hewlin Street at Donnelly in the Arlington Heights neighborhood of Fort Worth. Again, an area that has a history of flooding. Well, with 2 confirmed tornadoes today and the continued flood threat, we wanted to find out, is flooding deadlier than tornadoes?
Channel 8 Sebastian Robertson went out to verify.
Simply put, tornadoes are scary.
I believe everyone can relate to the power of wind, and I believe everyone can relate to the imagery.
Which brings us to our question: is flooding deadlier than tornadoes?
Our goal is get the message out early.
For the answer, we turn to an expert. Greg Waller, he's a hydrologist. We also looked at data compiled by the National Weather Service. Here's what we found out.
Generally speaking, flooding causes more deaths and can create more damage.
The numbers back him up. According to the National Weather Service, in 2016 alone, more than 7 times as many people were killed by flooding than tornadoes. That's a big difference. So what is it about flooding that gets people into trouble? Simply put, they don't turn around when they should.
Doesn't matter the size of the vehicle. I say this: the Titanic was a very large vessel. The Titanic floated and eventually it sank. Well, so can your large profile SUV.
With that, we can verify, yes, it's true. Floods are deadlier than tornadoes.
Now that you're armed with that information, there are things you can do to keep yourself safe should we have flash flooding. The best advice: if you can't see the lane markers through the water, turn around. In Fort Worth, Sebastian Robertson, Channel 8 News.
And keep this in mind, we are under a flood watch through tomorrow night.
We'll be right back.